But so let's open this up. They sent this to me. This is a diesel heater, but it's actually pretty cool. One I haven't really reviewed before. Looks like it's got its own little case. We're opening this up and we're looking at it the first time together, but I've done reviews on, oh man, probably 6 or 7 different diesel heaters. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got. I'll leave my knife right here. So first thing is first is, all right, so it's powered. A lot of these diesel heaters, they come where it has this a black and white wire that you have to wire it to a battery, and that does not work for me at all. And I actually don't know, watching other people's reviews, that's pretty cool, they don't use it either. They usually have to wire it to something. Let me throw this away real quick. But what I like about this is it looks like it's a little briefcase, toolbox looking thing. Is that it? Looks like there's one more thing in here. Super lightweight. That is crazy. Is there anything in here? Oh, dude, I like this. Okay, so it's got a place for your remote. It's off, on, and you can turn things on and off, or up or down, which insane. This is your controller. Let's see how. Can you pop this out? Usually you can. Will this come out further? I don't want to pull it out too far. Let me open it up. No, that's as far as it goes. I wonder if it gives you an extender, because this is your remote. You would probably want that in your hot tent or some situation like that. Dude, love this. Take a look. You got your diesel heater, and it's where you put your gas, or your diesel, I'm sorry. It's all been packed in one. Golly, I just got to tell you how awesome this is. All right, so one thing, let's see here. These open up kind of easy, too easy, I guess. Maybe I didn't push it down hard enough. Let's see. Let's open these up, because I don't see any hoses. It might be in here. There it is. All right. Okay, so this hopefully might be another way of charging. Yeah, it's still got both the same. So you can use this to plug into a battery if you're like like doing a van build or some scenario like this. But I would more likely use this setup so I can plug it right into my Hcalory or whatever. This here is your exhaust, and that is it. So I guess you have to buy hoses, or I mean, you can make this for your shop, but you'll have to pipe this outdoors because you got a return and a supply. And oh, there it is, right there. So you'll plug this in, run this outside, pipe this on. Hopefully you can see that. The only thing is, I would want, in my case, is a hose to run it up into my rooftop tent. Is this directional? Doesn't look like it. It might be directional this way. Yeah, okay, so it is directional. So I want to look in here real quick. This is really designed for like RVs, SUVs, tractors, trucks. I like it a lot. I just need a hose for it. You'll see more of this in the future. Oh, it's got an app. That's cool. A lot of these apps don't get good ratings. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right, so now we're in Dutch. It's got a bunch of different names. I'll have to look on the website and see if they do a hose. Because I would like a hose on mine. But yeah, look at this. Oh, let me take this off for a second. Look at this. Diesel heater, dude. I freaking love it.